Controversy. Lisa Hannah Cummins spurs quarrel over whether convicted dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel's music should be banned from the airwaves. This evening we get reactions. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Town example, why the government is being told to look at the St. Andrew community as devices as crime plan.
Nabbed, the cops charged a man who came to blows with a St. Anne cop.
Ultimatum, scrap metal operators at Riverton told to clean up their act or else.
Murder, cop killed in St. Catherine.
In the financial week, road to recovery, good news about Portland banana farmers.
There is also international stories, our bite of the week, sports post commentary and weather in the Primetime Newscast. But first, the feedback question.
Should artists who are imprisoned be allowed to produce music for broadcast?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and your tweets to @televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.